Hello everyone. First open your Telegram and tap on search icon. Write pixelverse bot address in search box. Also, I wrote this address in description. Tap on this one. Tap on start. Tap on launch bot. Again tap on start. Wait to load. Now if you tap on this coin, you can gain a lot of coin. And also if you tap on claim, you can claim this coin. And tap on invite section. Now tap on invite friends and copy your link. Now with this link, if you invite a normal user, you can gain 2000 coin. If you invite a premium user, you can gain 10,000 coin. Now tap on reward section. In reward section, you can gain daily rewards. If you tap on claim, you can claim day 1 coin and in the next day you can gain 20,000 coin. Also, if you tap on tasks, with this task, which means if you join PixelTap in social media, you can gain a lot of coin. You can join on Telegram, join on YouTube, on Twitter, and more. For example, I join on Telegram. If I tap on this, tap on start, tap on join, tap on PixelTap, again tap on start. Now we gain that task coin. Now back to earn section, tap on claim and get your coin. Also with fight, you can gain a lot of coin. If you tap on fight, you can fight a friend, or if you tap on random, you will fight with a random. Tap on random. Now we must fight with this user. You must tap on that select part and win the game. Now you must to choose protect area and again tap on that part and gain coin. As you see, we lost this game and that user win the game. And you can again fight another user, or you can exit from this section. For example, I exit. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.